Unlock your car's hidden value. Turn your monthly payments into passive income streams. I'm Ilya, I'm founder of the ILIMOTOR Automotive Company, and I'm pioneering the world's first customer ownership business model. Simply, you as a customer going to pay to ILIMOTOR as an investment, the money that you want to spend for purchasing your car. And we are going to give you the car for free, plus we are going to issue you a stocks based on your total amount. Okay? And beside that, every month, or all the time, if the company grows, if the company has profits, we are going to give you dividends. And if the value of the company is increasing, your value of shares is increasing, and you are going to receive passive income simply out of the money that you want now to buy your own car. Look, here I have the whiteboard. Let me explain a little more. We have traditional business model and we have ILIMOTOR. Let's say here at the traditional business model, when you go buy, what you do, you give them money. Look, you give them money. When you give them money, you lose money, don't you? You lose money because you don't have that money anymore, right? You give them and they give you the key. They say, this is the key, enjoy and drive. But here is the problem. You lost your money. Now you have one car and it's depreciating. Its value is going down. Look, you lost money, and the value of car is going down, right? After 5 years, 10 years, 6 years, 3 years, if you want to resell your car, you're going to lose like 10%, 20%, 25, 30%. We don't know exactly, but you're going to lose some percentage of the price of the car. Okay, here is your pain point. You're losing money. But here at ILIMOTOR, what we are going to do at ILIMOTOR, in fact, we have business model that we turn you into an investor. Really, you are going to become an investor. Here, let's say you pay money, okay? X amount. You pay money for purchasing your car. The total amount is investment. It is investment. Okay? It is investment and you're going to receive stocks of the company. This is the first. Secondly, we are going to deliver exactly the car that you want wherever it is. Okay? We are going to deliver the car for you. Okay? You can come, check the car, see the car, talk with dealership. It's okay. You can find also your own dealership, it's okay. But the money is going to be invested at ILIMOTOR. ILIMOTOR is going to deliver to you the car. By doing so, we are creating passive income for you. As time goes on, your wealth, look, we are building your wealth. We are increasing your wealth. Out of what? Out of your own purchase. That's all. If you really love ILIMOTOR, okay, you can now go to ilimotor.com, put your name, phone number, email, and we are going to contact you. Our team is going to contact you for a free consultation. And if you have any questions, you can ask them here under this video. I'm going to answer you. And also feel happy. Love you all. Watch the other videos that we have that will pop up here or here. Till the next one.